Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Suiforlun mattress. In 90 centimeter to 200, it is also available on 90, 190, 120 to 200, and 140 to 200, and 160 to 200, and 180 to 200. You see, a lot of measurement dimensions are available on the market. We have here a double-sided mattress. We enjoy unparalleled comfort and pressure relief with this 2-in-1 hardness mattress with 7-zone pocket coils and a comfort foam that adapts to our body shape for a pain-free sleep. It firms firm with H4 on the top and a soft form H3 on the other side. So we can choose the different hardness in one mattress. That's a cool fact because mattresses is a large, usually rectangular pad for supporting a living person. It is designed to be used as a bed or on a bed frame itself as part of a bed. Mattresses may consist of a quilted or a similar fastened case, usually of heavy cloth, containing materials such as hair, thread, cotton, foam, rubber, or a framework of metal springs. The mattress may also be filled with air or water. In this case, it is a foam mattress, and the foam is in different layers built up, and each layer has a function. One layer has a softening function. On the opposite side, it has a harder function for our comfortable way of sleeping in this mattress. Mattresses are usually placed on top of a bed base, which may be solid, as in the case of a platform bed, or an elastic such as an upholstered wooden wire box spring or a slatted foundation. Popular in Europe is a divan. Incorporates both mattress and foundations in a single upholstered footed unit. Divans have at least one inner spring layer as well as cushion materials. They may be supplied with a secondary mattress or a removable topper. The mattress may also be filled with air, water, or a variety of natural fibers, such as in futons. Kapok is a common mattress material in South Asia and coir in South Asia too. You see, a lot of mattresses are possible to get around the world, and this mattress here comes with a comfortable filling out of foam, and the foam layers are built this mattress body. And we have 7 zones there which supports our body. That means our entire body to have a good sleeping comfort on it. If you are a little bit heavyweight, you use the hard, the harder side of the mattress, and if you are a little lightweight, you have to easily transform this mattress in a softer one by rotating the mattress 180 degrees. The outer cotton layer is washable, so you can remove it from the mattress body to clean it out easily. And the inner parts are made out of foam. This is an ideal sleeping pad there. The knitted fabric cover feels smooth and comfortable and can quickly dissipate heat and moisture from the body skin, maintaining the right temperature and the moisture in the sleeping environment. and interference-free sleep. The individual pocket springs have absorbent elasticity to effectively reduce the movement transmission between us and our partner, regardless of the sleeping position, and ensure a trouble-free sleep quality. And a good and nice hardness level H3 and H4 in ones. High quality covers are individually removable and washable at 60 degrees Celsius. The double-sided hardness grade H3 and H4 are suitable for the most Europeans. The mattresses offer a medium firm lying feel and offer so the perfect balance between the comfort and the support thing. The orthopedic mattress comes vacuumed and boxed and rolled up for easy transport. After we open the box, we should allow the spring mattress to expand up to 72 hours for it to be inflated. I think it's 72 hours is a little bit too much, but the minimum I think is 24 hours, and then you have a nice and good looking mattress for a good sleep with this Suiforlun mattress with a height of 22 centimeters, and in the dimensions here are 92 meters. Easy peasy sleeping, easy peasy transforming from hard to soft in warmth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.